The only way to run ads and get guaranteed clicks is by doing. Hey guys, it's Sammy here, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get guaranteed clicks on your ad campaign, so stay tuned. Some of you guys may know when you run ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google, they just give you an estimate of how many clicks you're gonna get, an estimate of how many impressions. An impression is just every time somebody sees your ad, or every time somebody scrolls and your ad happens to be there and just scroll, didn't even see it, but that's still considered an impression. But something that when we run ad campaigns, something that we always strive for is for getting that click. The only way to run ads and get guaranteed clicks is by doing solo ads, plain and simple. A solo ad is basically when somebody has a big email list and I have my link or my offer, whatever it is, and I tell that person, hey, I want you to send my offer, my link, whatever I'm promoting. I tell them, hey, just send it to your email list, and every time somebody from your email list clicks on my offer, I'm gonna pay you 50 cents every time somebody does that. And 50, so let's say I want 100 clicks, I'll just give them $50. So I'll give them the $50 and I'll eventually get 100 clicks for those $50. If you have any questions on how to do this, how to get solo ads, how to actually track the clicks to your link, because you might say like, oh, I'm giving the money, but how do I know that I'm actually getting the clicks? Let's just go on and hop to my computer and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, let's go.
Hey guys, back again here. So I just want to show you how you can get your solo ads. So all you have to do is go to udimi.com, create a free account. I'm already in my computer. I'm already logged into my account. So this is why, so you can see my name's there. So you basically, it's pretty easy, guys. You can either go to find sellers right here. You can choose whichever seller you want. If you wanna, right here, the filters that you can put. For example, what niche you want. Let's just say marketing. Price max, I usually like to keep it under 60 or no more than 70. Let's just say 60, yeah. This right here got sales. This means that the seller usually gets at least 20% in sales. Usually, of course, not all the time, but in average, he gets 20% in sales. Right here, if you want to sort it out, depending on how many sales they get or whatever, or the price right here, then yeah, let's say price. So you can see right here, Kevin Hansen. I've voted for him before. He's actually really good. Also right here, this is a delivery time. I like it when they start within 24 hours or less. So this is pretty good as well. I really like this because it gets you fast deliveries, which gets you faster statistics and data. That you need speed. You need to move fast. You need to know what's working, what's not. So I like to test my campaigns really fast so I know if they're working or not. And then that lets me know if I need to change something, change the title, make a little tweaks here and there. So I just like fast deliveries as well. Also, you can go to sold deals right here as well. And right here, these are all the people that have deals right now. So you can see there's a lot of 40 cents per click right here. It's actually pretty good. This guy right here seems pretty good. He has over 1,922 orders, 40 cents a click, 90% US buyers list, which is really good. 10% over delivery, meaning that if you order 100 clicks, it usually gives you at least 110 clicks. He gives you 10 more clicks, so that's really good. His niche is BizOp, MMO, crypto, IM. He gets 1,000 fresh daily leads, high opt-in, so it's pretty good. He has, sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, so let's just get him. See what happens. So I usually like to get 100 visitors to 200 visitors. But right now I don't know, let's just get 100. I just want to get 100 visitors. So as you can see right here, I have the Prime filter already, and that's because I have the Prime membership from Udimi. So the Prime membership, guys, is plain and simple. It gives you access to the Prime filter, and the Prime filter will make sure you get good clicks, you don't get shitty clicks, you don't get bots, you don't get anything like that. And it makes sure that also right here, if you choose only top tier, meaning that your seller has to give you clicks from the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or Singapore. If you choose this, the Prime filter will make sure that all of your clicks come from these countries. If one of those clicks doesn't come from any of these countries, you'll get the click, but Udimi will not count it as a visitor. So They won't charge you for it, basically. It won't be on your account. It'll just be a useless click. You could also choose this as well, only mobile, meaning that you only want people to view this on their phones. So also the prime filter will make sure that you only get those kind of people. If you get any desktop people, it would just count as a useless click or a filter click, wherever it is. And yeah, it's pretty much it. You could do add text right here, meaning that this text that you put right here is the text that your seller is going to send his list. Or you could just put link only, and the seller will just send them the link. He probably just writes something of his own, of course, and you just send it to his list and get clicks. But to be honest, I really always like to do the ad text, not gonna lie. I feel like it's good. I feel like the seller could just put something weird, and it's better if you come up with something of your own to put on that relates to your offer, you know. I feel like you can get better conversions like that. So yeah. So let me just set up an order right now, to be honest. Let's go right now. So there you go, guys. I already placed an order, and it seems like my order was accepted automatically. All right, because usually it says like your seller has not accepted your order yet, but it seems like automatically he has some way of accepting orders automatically, I guess, because I literally just made the payment. And yeah, so my delivery will start on January 19th. Today, as I make this video, I don't even. Oh, it's the 17th. Okay, it says delivery on the 19th or earlier. Alright, even immediately, so that's great. I usually like deliveries very early, like as soon as possible, ASAP. You know, I want to get the data. I want to see how the offer converted, to see if I need to make any changes or anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You go to orders, checking your orders right here. This is an estimate of time that your order was started. So right here it says order starts in 21 hours and a minute. Usually sometimes it could start at that time, but it could start even before that. So yeah, you could also click here. You could also check the status of your order as well. Right here, you can also cancel the accepted order. And once the delivery has started, Udimi will give you a chart right here that will be tracking the links for you. As you can see, the status of your order right here, order sent, order accepted. Then once the delivery starts, Udimi will give you a chart right here, and you'll be able to see how many clicks you have in the meantime, how many clicks have been filtered by the prime filter, and all that. So Udimi gives you your own graph to track your links and everything, your clicks. But if you want, you could also get your own link tracker. If you don't trust Udimi, it's up to you. There's so many link trackers out there, like Build Redirects, Click Magic, and all that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I missed anything. Oh, one quick tip, make sure you always rate your orders after you're done. Make sure you always rate your orders, because many times after you rate them, Udimi just gives you a $5 discount, you know. I know it's just $5, but you know, it's better than nothing. So yeah, make sure you do that.
Hey guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about solo ads and what do you think about Udimi. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.